One of the thing I'd like to ask you about, which I haven't yet, is when I look at your job title, it says product owner. Is that right?
Product manager.
Product manager.
Yes.
Now, typically, when we talk about RAID logs, we're used to talking with project managers. So can you talk a little bit about that? Are you a product manager who's acting as a project manager and using a RAID log, or are you a project manager who finds value directly with using RAID logs?
Yeah, it's a great question. So it's a current trend that's happening in the industry, especially within e-commerce, that project teams are moving to product mode. And the reason for that is one, for better cross-functional collaboration. Typically, projects, they operate certainly from stakeholder interest and stakeholder engagement, but they're not really designed to engage with other cross-functional teams as much as, say, a product team would, because a product team effectively is more of a permanent, where project is more transient. It's like you implement the project, then you start another one, right? But for us, for example, in a Salesforce Marketing Cloud personalization tool, we're a product that we have a product that we manage. So we have moved to this mode, which makes more sense for our group. So my roles and responsibilities are more or less still as a project manager, but I also have more of a deeper interest and understanding of the product itself. And so that's kind of a layer as well that really changes how the role functions. And so we've been finding that this has already added some tremendous value for our teams, because there's kind of already that expectation for closer collaboration with cross-functional teams. We know that we're not turning over necessarily projects, but we're turning over initiatives, or we're turning over certain deployments within the product that we're working on. So we're doing infrastructure changes, we're doing experimentation, we're doing personalized content, things like that, and product recommendations. But they're all kind of like iterative. As in Agile, it's iterations adding to the value to the product that we manage effectively.
All right. Well, we always had a feeling that RAID logs would be very useful in a little more of an agile or product management role. And it's really good to hear it from somebody who does it every day.